Guys, samahan niyo ako mag-react dito sa bandang Sweet Notes. Ito yung kanilang cover song ng kanta ng Black Eyed Peas, yung Where is the Love. Ayan, tignan natin kung gaano kaganda yung kanilang cover song na to.
Hey, put your hands in the air in the name of love. Come on, hey, 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 come on, hey, hey. What's wrong with the world, mama? People living like ain't got.
Naalala ko tong kanta ng Black Eyed Peas na to. Sikat na sikat to nun eh. Lalo yung kumanta na chorus nito si Justin Timberlake ng NSYNC. Yung kanilang kakolab.
No mamas, I think the whole world addicted to the drama. Only attracted to the things that bring the trauma. Overseas, we're trying to stop terrorism, but we still got terrorists here living in the US.
Lupit talaga ni BJ. Hindi lang pang rock, pang love song. Kaya niya rin mag-rap. At kung minsan sumasayaw pa yan si BJ. May pagka-komedyante rin.
Say it's CIA, the Bloods and the Crips and the KKK. But now we have love for your own race, and you only leave space to discriminate, and to discriminate only generates hate. And you finish.
Pati yung forma ni BJ, ano eh, rapper. Ayos.
Hate you to be, got to get irate. Yeah, madness you want to demonstrate, and that's exactly how anger works and operate. Gotta have love just to set this straight. Take control of your mind and meditate.
Mukhang balak niya ihagis yung kanyang sombrero ha. Madalas sila naghagis ng mga ano eh, kung hindi t-shirt, sombrero, ganun.
Let us all gravitate to the love, y'all.
People killing, people dying, children hurt, you hear them crying. Can you
Minsan jersey rin yata.
practice what you preach? Would you turn the other cheek? Father, 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 have
Ayun no, nag-selfie si Charlotte.
blessings of guidance from above.
Some people got me questioning. Where is the love? Say,
Where is the love?
May naalala ba kayo guys dito sa kantang Black Eyed Peas? Sa mga nakaabot nung sikat na sikat tong kanta na to. Ayan, i-comment nyo lang guys sa ating comment section sa mga nakaabot.
Where is the love? Where is the love?
It just ain't the same. Always a change. Duties is trained. The world is same. And from the pieces are strong. Why the pieces is love that don't belong.
Pagkakaalam ko parang mga late 2000 to eh. Itong sumikat na to na kanta ng Black Eyed Peas.
Nation dropping bombs, chemical gassing, spilling lungs of little ones with ongoing suffering. Up to you, the young. So ask yourself, is the love is really wrong? So I can ask yourself, really what is going on in this world? We're living in.
Tapos sikat na sikat dito sa Pinas kasi yung isang member dito. Si Apple Pinoy. Kaya talagang proud na proud sa kanya yung mga kababayan natin.
People live it, make your own decision and vision and evidence. They're respecting each other, deny that brother. The war is going on, but the reason's undercover. Truth keeps secret, it's weapon in the.
Husay din mag-rap ni Charlotte, ano? Napaka-talented talaga ng mag-asawang ito.
Wrong. If you never know truth, then you never know love. Where's the love, y'all?
I don't know.
Where's the truth, y'all? Everybody say, where's the love, y'all?
People killing, people dying, children hurt, you hear them crying. Can you practice what?
Yung babae pala na member ng Black Eyed Peas si Fergie, nag-ano siya eh, nag-solo. Solo album.
You preach? Would you turn the other cheek? Father, 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 have blessings to guide us from above. So people got me questioning.
Daming tao, oh. Grabe. Saan kayang lugar to, guys? Ngayon sa mga nakakaalam, guys, i-comment nyo lang kung saan lugar to.
Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? The love, the love.
I feel weight on my shoulder as
Ayos yun. Bigla nagbago ng boses si BJ.
getting older, young people get colder. Most of it only care about money making. Selflessness, get out on the wrong direction.
Si Charlotte iniikot yung mga audience.
Wrong information always shown by the media. Negative images is the main criteria.
Ayun, no? May nagsasayaw dun, no? Parang ano rin eh, member din ng Black Eyed Peas eh. Yung sa suot niyang sombrero.
Effect to the young minds faster than bacteria. Kids will act what they see in the cinemas. Yeah. Whatever happened to the values of humanity? Whatever
Ayos. Viral si Kuya.
happened to the fairness and equality? Instead of spreading love, is spreading animosity. Lack of understanding leading us away from unity. That's the reason why sometimes I'm feeling under. That's the reason why sometimes I'm feeling down.
Talagang tutok na tutok sa kanila yung mga nanonood eh, no? Yung iba may mga cellphone pang hawak.
To wonder why sometimes I'm feeling under. Gotta put my faith to love till I be found. Ask yourself.
Where is the
Ask
love?
yourself.
Where is the love? Where is the love?
Ayun, marami nagpapa-picture kay BJ. Kinukuha talaga ng BJ yung cellphone, ano? Para siya mismo yung mag-picture.
Where is the
Come on.
Father, 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 help us and some guidance from above. These people got me questioning. Where is
Kaya malapit sila sa tao. Talagang hindi sila snobero, you know, sa mga fans.
the love? Where is the love? One love, one love, one love, one love.
Ayun, no, pati si Charlotte, inaabot niya rin yung mga cellphone ng mga gusto magpa-selfie.
One love, one
Yeah,
love.
something's wrong with it. Something's wrong with it. Something's wrong with the world. We only got one love.
One love,
That's all we got.
one love,
Yo.
one love.
Kaya maraming nagmamahal sa banda Sweet Notes eh. Napaka down to earth nila, no?
Gusto niyo pa ba?
Spread love.
Grabe. Napaka-talented talaga ni BJ at ni Charlotte. Husay.